So this is a quick video over the root geo. Geo. So what do we have here? Well, we have a map of the Earth, an old map of the Earth. We have some people looking at some rocks, and then we have some people looking at Old Faithful. What does this have to do with geo? Well, that's mainly due to geo being Earth. Earth. So what does I mean we know this is a picture of the Earth, but what word has geo and has to do with the with a map of the Earth? Well, that's geography. Geography. So what we really want to do is we really want to break that word apart because it's actually geo, graph, and then e. And why is e geography? E just means a characteristic of, where graph means right. So it has to do with right. And in this case, it's probably actually better to go with draw. So draw. So graph is draw, and again, geo is earth. So what they're doing is they're drawing the earth. So that's what geography is. It's drawing the earth, it's writing about the earth. It's it's the geography of the earth. Our geography is earth. So next we got some guys looking at some rocks, and what are they doing? Well, they're actually studying the Earth. Basically, is what they're doing. So what they're doing is geology, geology, where again we have geo is Earth, and ology is study. Study. It's actually study of. So they're studying the Earth. They're studying the actual Earth itself. That's what geology is. And what someone who studies the Earth is a geologist. Geologist. Where ist is one who. One who. So in this case, it's one who studies the Earth. So a geologist is one who studies the Earth. So finally, we got Old Faithful. What are we going to talk about Old Faithful? Well, we're going to say more about the mechanism that causes Old Faithful, and that's geothermal heating. Geothermal. And I can't really write that well, so let's rewrite that real quick. Geothermal. Thermal. So geo, therm, and then all. And all is just there to make it sound a little bit different. It doesn't really have a meaning. So in our case, geo again, we have earth. And then we have thermal. What is thermal? Well, that's actually heat. Heat. So geothermal is a heated is heated due to the earth, and Old Faithful is actually shooting up steam, which is very hot, so it has a lot of heat to it. So that's what the Old Faithful is, basically a geothermal feature of the Earth. It's a it just has the heat of the Earth due to just magma or just being very close to a heat source within the Earth itself. This actually should go a little bit more in detail on that one. That's actually kind of interesting. But let's move on to geometry. Geometry. Now this one's actually kind of a stretch, where we have metry means measure, and geo is earth. Maybe it's not too much of a stretch, but when you have geometry, you're talking about measurement of earthly shapes. Earthly shapes. So like maybe a sphere, not really a good sphere, but maybe a sphere, a circle, a triangle, a pyramid, a diamond. I can't really draw anything else, but it's the idea is it's geometry, it's earthly shapes, it's shapes of the earth. So that's the idea of geometry, and again that's kind of a stretch. So what we have is we have geo is earth, we have geography as in a map of the earth, it's the geography of the earth. We have geologist, and then we have a geothermal feature of the earth as well.